Hello student, welcome to the fourth day of hands-on training session on HTML. Today's topic is HTML text formatting and the HTML comments. Okay, and so what in HTML contains several elements for defining tags with a special meaning. It means in Word we are doing the formatting like we have changed the font, the size or style, okay, that type we have changed, but we have make it bold, we put underline in the word, or we can make it italics. So all those features we are getting into the words we can have in HTML also. So how we can get, okay, see in the first example we have make the text as bold, and next we have make the text as a italics, and also we have done the superscript and subscript also. That we are able to do in Word, and we are able to do it over here also. This is the list of the formatting elements that we learned today. First one, B tag. Okay, so B tag is actually make it the word or text bold. Next is strong. Strong is actually if you want to highlight a text as an important text, then you have to use the strong. Then is I tag. I tag is to denote the italic text. Okay, EM tag, it is to emphasize some text. Okay, in a given text if you emphasize on some word or something, or suppose in a notice you have to prioritize some lines or something, then you can use the emphasize tag. Okay, then mark tag is there, that is you marked as line. Okay, next one is small text. So in a bigger text if you put something in a smaller form, then you can use the small text. Okay, then del tag is there, that is to delete the text. Okay, in is for the inserted text, and subscript, sub for subscript of a text, and sup is the superscript of the text. Today we will learn about all those elements. Okay, so first element is bold and strong. Okay, today first the example is bold. So and clicking on try by yourself, say this is the code you have to execute in Notepad. See, in the first line we are using paragraph, there is no bold tag is involved, but in the second line we have involved the bold tag. See the difference. Okay, now we are going to the use of the strong tag. Okay, see in the paragraph, in the first line we have written a normal paragraph, and in the second line we have introducing paragraph as well as the strong tag. So how it will look like? Next one is the I and EM, that is HTML elements are part of a text alternative voice or mode. This contain inside that typically displayed in italic. Okay, so if you want to show in text in italic format, then you have to click. This is the normal form. First line written in normal, and second line we have written in italics format. You can see the changes. Next one is the emphasized one. Okay, so emphasized one, so tips is for that one screen reader will produce the word in EM with emphasis using the verbal stress. Okay, so now we will clicking on the try by yourself, so we get to know that this is the code, and see how it is changed. We have emphasized this line, the whole line. Now comes to the small element. Okay, what is the word use of the small element? It defines the text in a smaller format. So first line is this is a small normal text, and next we have using the small tag and written the same line. See the difference. Next one is the mark element. Mark elements defines the text that should be marked or highlighted. Okay, suppose here we written mark under milk, so milk will be highlighted and in the mark format. See, milk is written, okay, check here, it is highlighted. Now is next one is delete del. So this element defines the text has been deleted from the document. Browse, okay, when you browse you can get to know it is deleted. Let's try by yourself. Click, see. So blue, the word it is written, it is strikeout. Okay, delete doesn't means a complete delete. Delete means is a strikeout word. Okay, so ins defines a text has been inserted into a document. Okay, now we get to know the try yourself. See the code first. Here I have previously we have inserted delete, and right now we have inserted ins also. Okay, see the difference. In blue we have applied delete, so that it is overstriked. In ins we in red, before red we have written ins, so it is showing the underlined text. It's inserted one. Okay, next one is very important, that is the subscript. See the text, this is the output. This is one as the superscript. Now come to the comments one. Comment one, that if you want to show any line that should not be displayed, but not part of this document, showing up something not displayed in the browser, so this one is the comment. So like in this way you have to write out the comment tag. Okay, so how to execute that one? See, this is example. I'm clicking here. Under exclamatory side, double dash, if you written something and then double dash in close, then it will be not be displayed in the, okay, in this way you can give the command. Thank you student, I'm ending my